Here we have Myra studying in class third, Bloom's International. So Myra, please read for the animals around us. Yeah.
Animal around us.
Yeah.
There are different types of animals
Yeah.
around us.
Yeah.
Animals that live in the forest are called wild animals.
Yeah.
Animals that are
Yeah.
and help us in our daily work are called domestic animals.
Yeah.
Animals we keep at home as our pets are
Pet animals.
known as pet animals.
Lion, tigers are the wild animals. Yeah.
Lion, tiger, deer, cheetah, gorilla, zebra, kangaroo, deer are wild animals. You can also see them in the zoo.
Yeah.
Dogs and cats are pets animals and live in our houses with us. Cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, donkey, horses, etc. are domestic animals. They help in the farm.
Yeah. Right.
They carry
Okay, great. So, do continue study in the home. So today we have talked about the types of animal. Animals are three types: wild animal, domestic animals, and pet animals. ठीक है? Okay, great. Please have a round of clap for Myra.
ये देखिए जरा आपने करवा रहे हैं आप शाम के